Hello everyone. This video is going to change your trading career. Log into our website strading.io. Choose the trading tools on the left side of the page. Choose the trading ideas and boom. Here we go. There are lots of pending positions ready for you to help you make money more confidently. Analyze the assets you want to trade and make your decision, but before taking the position, use this free feature available on our website to get ideas to structure your trades better. On the right side of the page, there's a 3-line option where you can adjust your positions. You can choose the positions with higher probabilities as a percentage is available for each trade. You can also choose the assets you want to trade from the class. You can choose the type of the position also. More interestingly, you can choose your language as well. Let's take a look at a position. Let's choose GBP/JPY to trade. It's a buy limit at 168.00. Its confidence rate is 44%, meaning there's a 44% possibility of success for this position. You can use this feature to adjust the price for the entry, stop loss, and take profit more precisely. Remember to trade as small as you can afford the loss with no negative emotions.